Jenna hinterland tourism with regards to Bicholem or whatever, we need to take care of the growing menace of drugs first in the first place. Growing menace of drugs that is happening there. Kirak beachiche remeta. When we are going into a hinterland, we need to protect that doesn't go. Because dusre je a land shark pade hai. They should not. You should look, or the government should look that these land sharks don't enter into the hinterland. And that's because currently it looks like the tourist is managing the tourism. And the duration of stay with this hinterland tourism, normally if a hinterland, it will be more number of days when you come for hinterland tourism. The tourism department, your archaeology department, you'll have to basically locate springs, waterfalls and connectivity. This is the main issue. And that's because amche jab ek prashna hallo with regards to LAQ 148 dated 17 July on hinterland tourism. And in that, as per my reply that you have given, the tourism department has not yet notified, selected any locations for hinterland and monsoon tourisms in Goa. As per your reply, you have not yet selected. In the same reply, you have said that 10.67 crores you have spent on Goa's hinterland monsoon tourism destination from 2020 till date. So my specific question to you is, if you have not yet notified any location for hinterland tourism where you have spent this 10.67 crores, number two, what is the exact plan of the government with regards to when this hinterland tourism will start and the timeline when you will start, because you say there is no policy.
Speaker sir, प्रश्न असा बिचोली तालुका आणि बिचोलीचो हिंदलँडाचो.
Hinterland सांग तू बिचोलेच्या संख्यान स्टार्ट
बिचोलेचो. आता हिंदलँडाचो प्लॅन आमी कितें जाय, पॉलिसी इज इन द मेकिंग. स्पीकर सर, इट हॅज टू बी अ होलिस्टीक अप्रोच. थंय मागीर परत तुमी म्हणटले की कित्याक केला आनी कितें करूं ना. वी विल टेक एवरीबडी इनटू कॉन्फिडन्स एंड डू दॅट हिंदलँड पॉलिसी. स्पीकर सर, ड्रग्स बाकीचो विषय आमी जो उलयत रावता, it is to getting too entangled and we are only making a news saying that drugs are being sold all over. जय ड्रग्स आसा स्पीकर सर, ते एक्शन पुलीस घेतात, पूण टुरिझम आणि ड्रग्स हो परत आमचोच जो प्रयत्न आसता इन द वेल, तो म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी बंद जावपाक जाय.
प्रश्नाक संबंधित आसा तुम्ही उत्तर दिवपाक.
तिसरो स्पीकर सर, last 2 years, whatever we are doing, that spread is already been spoken. Just now I have told Dr. Chandrakant Shetty.
No, you don't have a hinterland tourism policy as per your reply. And you said that for hinterland you spent 10.67 crores.
Because, sir,
you say you have not selected any location. So where you have spent this under hinterland?
Because, sir,
specific in
प्रश्न स्पेसिफिक जो आसा तो
Because, sir, एक मिनिट, तो खंय तरी घुसपावन येता पळय. 2020 till now 4 वर्सां 10.67 crores in one unstar LAQ, which is not pertaining to Bicholi. If he is asking, I will place it on the table of the house. I will give him necessary information.
When will you do this plan? When will it be ready?
Plan has already started, Speaker sir. Central कडल्यान स्वदेश दर्शन. आता for example old Goa. प्रशात स्कीम घेऊन सँक्शना कडे पावले स्पीकर सर. 17 कोटी
मेळटले. 17th reply पड हा. Your reply on 17th July of this session says that there is no plan.
No, it's not a plan. Speaker sir, तो आता policy विचारता आणि plan विचारता.
Plan no रे.
We cannot, Speaker sir.
Whether tourism department no sites
हांव फुडें वता.
Speaker sir, हिंदलँडान जो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जाय तो प्लॅन इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर येतलो. आता कितें येतलो, कितें आयला, फाटले नोटिफाय जाला, नोटिफाय जावना.
And will you notify the sites?
Position leader बसून घ्या, ऐकून घ्या पहिले.
Very simple. Speaker sir, when will you notify the sites? Because as per this, you are not notified.
Why should the sites get notified? What is there to notify a site when we are doing something? As Maya is a destination to go.
Okay, so what is the criteria? What is the criteria for you then? What is the criteria?
Speaker sir, ताजो आता तुझो तो खंयचो तो प्रिय रे हेरिटेज खंयचे ते चांदोर.
काय केला?
चांदोराचो समज तो फाल्यां प्रपोजल घेवन आयलो.
Proposal धाडलो.
What needs to be done after talking to him? We will not notify Chandor. ते घर notify करचे ना आम्ही. ते कोणाचे तरी घर.
So all the MLAs have to give you a proposal. Tourism department doesn't have anything in their mind to notify this.
Because sir, we are going very clear with a plan. We know our plan. Regenerative tourism, एकादश तीर्थ, wellness, adventure सगळ्यांक आतां उलोवन गेलो. ताका स्पेसिफिक कितें आसा जाल्यार विचारूं न्ही. तो खंयचो अनस्टार क्वेश्चन खंयचो 10.67 खंयचो.
Speaker sir, अनस्टार तुगेलो.
फुडें वचया. स्टार क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 श्री क्रूज सिल्वा.
You have not notified.
How you can notify? What is to be
Yes,
notified?
Speaker, sir.
What is to be notified?
ते मातशे हे बी गांजा बिंजा
Question
जाता
number
माझे थंय
2C.
सारकें ते बॉन भितरल्यान आनाका बिचेर चलता थिंग
Start करूया खंयचो?
पाड घालनाका
See.
2C.
Yes, sir.
स्टार क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बसून घ्या.